Quick update, I'm recording this around 2:45 on Wednesday, December the 17th. On the wind for us here in Colorado, we've seen peak wind gusts up to nearly 100 miles an hour. Rocky Flats within the last half hour, and a 97 mile an hour wind gust out there. Downtown Denver, we haven't seen a ton of it yet, and it's coming here, folks. I'm getting a million, where's the wind, where's the wind, where's the wind comments. I get it, and the wind has not arrived yet. As we said this morning, the peak of the wind was likely to be mid to late afternoon. In fact, just getting a pretty good gust here. I did see within the last half hour, 250 plus mile an hour wind gusts, one by Federal Heights, another one in South Denver. So that wind, it's mixing its way through the atmosphere. So it takes a little time for that wind in the foothills to reach us in this sort of event. But the wind is coming for us. The worst of the wind will be between roughly about now and 7, 8 o'clock this evening. So the good news with this event, and I've talked about this all day long, is that this is a fairly short-lived strong wind event. So this will not be an 8 to 12 hour event. That's a notable difference, by the way, between that and the Marshall Fire. Ooh, just had a really good wind gust here. So the wind is moving in as we speak. So again, the wind has not reached the majority of the Denver metro area, but that wind, literally as we speak, it is starting to pick on up. And it'll be nasty between about now and 7 to 8 o'clock. It stays windy in the foothills tonight. In Denver, that wind relaxes after about 8 o'clock or so this evening, but it will stay windy through the night with 30 to 40 mile an hour gusts. Peak gusts in Denver, 50, 60, maybe 70 miles an hour for us between now and about 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, I should say 7, 8 o'clock or so this evening.